Hi, I'm talking today about missing letter, and it's the E at the end of letter that's missing. And I found the link for Missinglettr in a post from Carl Lambert, and I've got a link in the show notes to Carl Lambert's website as well as the YouTube video on how I got the walkthrough for Missinglettr, and it basically takes your content and repurposes it for as long as 12 months with a trickle down repurposing the content. You can put different quotes in. It's a really nice little tool. I'm still using just the free version, so you can kick the tires if you like. I've used that phrase before, and get a look at Missinglettr, and you might like it. I want to thank all the time that you've devoted to this episode of the Guy R. Cook Report. I hope that link helps you out in some way. Thanks to the patrons that support this effort. It's a wrap. And this is how you get in touch with yours truly, Guy R. Cook. There's the GuyRCookReport.com, and there's a contact form if you go to GuyRCook.com, just like it shows in text there. Or you can call my new cell phone number, 509-200-1429. I look forward to talking to you.